In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Assistant to your other accounts so you can access emails, calendars, and more with just a voice command. Open the Google app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. On the homepage, tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings. Next, look for the Google Assistant option and tap on it. Now scroll down to find the Accounts section, tap on it, and you'll see a list of your available accounts. Here's where you can choose which accounts you want Google Assistant to access. Simply tap on the account you'd like to enable. A confirmation window will appear explaining what enabling access will allow Google Assistant to do. If you're ready to proceed, just tap Continue. Once enabled, you can test it right away. Try asking Google Assistant to check your emails, play music, or set reminders connected to your linked accounts. Your Google Assistant is now even smarter and ready to make your day easier. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.